Here it is. Okay.
Hold on, this camera is gonna bother me. There we go. How was your Thanksgiving weekend?
Good. Yours?
Mine was actually pretty good.
Okay, I've got it up. Okay.
Awesome.
So for number 3, the correlation.
Did you get the third one?
Huh?
Did you get the third one?
I have all of them.
No, I mean, did you? What?
I got 100%.
Okay, so for number 3, it was the third answer, right?
I get what you're saying. I thought you were asking if I got number 3 right.
It's okay. Yes. No, I was saying, did you get the third one for number 3?
Yes. The correlation coefficient is used to quantify the direction and strength of the linear relationship.
Yep. And then this one kind of tripped me up because I was reading and I was like, I always get stuck on if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases, doesn't that mean the other variable is negative?
The other variable. So just hip checked my face.
Oh, silly pupper.
The other variable tends to decrease.
Oh, silly girl.
All right. Show me my necklace. It's number 1.
All right. Number 5.
Number 5. Effective outliers is significant, so it is false.
Yeah. And then, was there an Excel sheet that we needed for this? Because, okay, so I actually have been traveling since about yesterday night back here, so I hadn't gotten a chance to look at anything.
So go to like just the lesson 21. Go the individual preparation, and then once you're in, I'm gonna pull it up too.
Okay, so I pulled it up. Where do I find the Excel sheet?
I'm gonna try to explain it without having it up yet. It just hasn't popped up. If you go to the left-hand side where it says data files, I think. If you click on that, it should pop up with like a huge. Okay, here, data files, and then there's gonna be. It should say data right at the top.
Yes.
There's something that says special note. 1 second. Okay. So do you see mine?
Hold on.
My lab.
Yes, I see it.
Okay. So where it says special note, you're gonna click help Excel tools. And then once you click on that, there's gonna be Unit 1, Units 2 and 4, and Unit 3. So we're in Unit 4 right now in class. And so this is the one that we use every time.
Okay, so we're using the quantitative inference. I was like wondering when we were gonna need that specific one.
And then once you're in there, so let me do a new share. 1 second.
Take your time.
So we are, where is it? I think this is it. Let me see. Yeah. So we are in.
Are we in linear regression?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And both of our both of the Excel sheets right now, we can just plug it in the way it is.
All right.
It does matter which one's first, but they have it set up to where you can just plug it in. Thank goodness.
Yeah. There's always that little thing that you're like, oh my gosh, they're really thinking about us. Enable editing. Linear regression, and then let me just, sorry, pull up we're in the Old Faithful, correct?
Yeah.
The Old Faithful Excel sheet, okay. You look how I feel right about now. So we have to put the duration in the first column and then wait time in the second column. Is that what I'm
1 second. Let me.
hearing?
18,000 Excel sheets pulled up.
Don't you hate it when that happens?
Yeah, so just copy it all and then just go to there and just pop it in. Once you do that,
Oh my good night. Okay.
once
We
you
stopped it.
sorry. Layla, stop. Oh no. Stop it. Once you do that, then the R is the correlation, and it'll say it in the model summary.
Okay. So the duration, I'm assuming, okay. Sorry, I'm trying to get my bearings for this Excel sheet. So the,
Do you want to share your screen?
yeah, give me a second. I understand what you're saying. It's just taking me a while to copy and paste everything into the Excel sheet. So the X in this situation is the duration, right?
Yeah.
And then the weight, okay. That's what I was wondering. So the first column goes first and then the second column goes second. That's what I wanted to know.
And it'll be that way for the next one too.
Okay. There are so many numbers. Okay, so that calculated, holy, yep. Right there. And then I don't really need that. Okay, so let's go to Google Hangouts. So for number 6, it is looking for the
R.
correlation coefficient.
Mm-hmm.
That would be, so it's the covariance, right?
It's R.
Right. So that would be 0.901.
Yeah.
This is pretty point and shoot. I like this.
And then the dots, they go up, so it's positive.
Yeah, so is it positive and weak or positive and strong?
Strong. Because the dots are pretty close together. They're not scattered.
Match the scatter plot with the correlation.
Hey, stop it. So for R equals negative 0.95, it's a negative, so it's going to be going down.
Mm-hmm.
But it's still pretty close to -1. So I put number 5 because number 5 is really tight.
Yeah.
And then R equals 1. That's a positive, so it's going up and it's very tight. So I put 1.
That's what I was going to ask.
Stop. For number 3, r equals, I'm sorry, for the third one, r equals 0. I put 3.
Yeah, because it just goes nowhere.
Let's
And it's
kind of
straight across.
and then r equals 0.95. I put 2 because it's kind of clean. It's going up, so it's positive. Or yeah, it's a positive, but it's a little bit sloppy. Stop it. R equals -1. It's gonna be a straight line going down. So I put number 4. And then for r equals -0.6, I put number 6 because it is going down. You can see that. So it is negative. And it's not really unclean, but it's kind of unclean.
Yeah.
And then for number 9 and 10, it's going to be just like the number.
Plugging it in.
Yeah, number 6 and 7. That's it. It was a short one today.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me actually see how many questions there are.
There's 10.
There's just 10. Wow. Okay.
It was really.
Yeah, this is really straightforward. All right, Dee. Well, I guess this concludes our session for today. It was always good seeing you and Layla.
Layla.
Little Miss Layla. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, you're getting so big. Oh, the head tilt. That's what kills people. Ugh. I just want to snuggle her. Is she a snuggle bug?
Yeah, she is. Do you see her right now?
Goodness. Oh. Oh. You love her.
She'll put her head on my chest like she's being an angel, and then she bites my necklace. Like she thought it's supposed to, because she's so bad.
That sounds like my cat. If I have food, he'll come